Good morning, everybody. This is your Monday work. If you're a little bit behind, that's okay. Just follow the read aloud directions as needed. If you don't need the read aloud directions, that's perfectly fine. But I'm just gonna go day by day. So if you're a day behind, do what works for you. I will be touching base on writing in another video. I'll do a whole explanation video on that. So I'm going to come back to this, but our Monday phonics page, we're still working on the beginning sound. This is a really good tap out word. So this is a rat, so we could tap that out. Rat. So we could touch each sound. Rat. So what's that first sound? We have a nest, a jar, and a cake. Those are our sounds that we're looking for, the beginning sound. Remember to write nice and neat on that first line. Miss Strum's going to show that. For our lowercase letters, all of these are lowercase because they're not a name or the beginning of a sentence. So we're going to sit that lowercase r as a short letter. So he's going to start right here and go down to the ground. And then we come back up and push around. Let's try to really work on those kindergarten writing skills of keeping our letters nice and low on the line. I don't want to see any ghosties. Remember, ghosts float up. None of our letters float up in the air. And make sure if it hangs its bottom down, it goes underneath and digs into the ground. Then we have our sight words, still practicing those nice, neat letters. Our I. Oh, Miss Strum didn't go all the way to the ground, so I'm going to come back and make sure I go all the way to the ground. Remember, when we do tracing T's, it wants us to trace like this. That's okay. Miss Strum likes a nice, tall T. Nice, tall T. Same for that S. Make sure all of those letters are short. We don't want ghosts hanging out up above the line. This is how we practice those skills that we've learned in school. I know it's been a while since we've been in school, but these are all skills that we know. Syllables. We have an ear and an iron. So work on those syllables. I saw nice syllable work last week. Rhyming. Y'all did fabulous with those. If you want to add something to that, once you find those two rhyming words, try to think of another word that rhymes with those two things. Or maybe the one that doesn't have a rhyming word, you could think of a word that rhymes with those things and share that with mom or dad or grandpa or grandma or whoever you're spending your day with. Our sentence today, we're working on my cat is here. Remember that tap out word, at, cat. Or if we can't tap it out, we look at that picture to help us. Keep working on that nice kindergarten writing. All right, math page for today. We're still working on shapes. Miss Strum's working on a video to help us with our names of our shapes because I know we haven't really done that at all as a class this year. So Miss Strum wants to help us with that as much as I can. This one you're going to need to work with mom or dad or grandma or grandpa with. They're going to tell you a name of a shape and you're going to have to find that shape and color it in. So parents, we have a circle, an oval, a rectangle, a trapezoid, a hexagon, a square, a rhombus, and a triangle. So call out those things and then you can help your child find that shape if you need to. Or, kids, if you're on your own, just color it and practice saying the names of those shapes that you know as you go. That's how we get better, is using that language. So that's all we have for our Monday work. Keep showing me those pictures. I would love to see you working and to see your finished work. So you can take a picture of just the page, parents, when it's done, or you can send a picture of them working, whichever works for you. But I'm loving the pictures. You guys keep up the great work. I'm going to be filming some read-alouds after this and some writing explanations. So y'all keep up the great work, and I'm excited to see everybody's hard work today.